Chapter 6 Application of Derivatives, Exercise 6.3 or 6.5 in the previous textbook. Question number 23. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 8/27 of the volume of sphere. So I have given a sphere in green color and a cone is inscribed in the sphere. Let capital letter R be the radius of the sphere. Now we will be having a cone with a radius of its base, that is smaller r. So now what is the height of the cone? Let it be marked as h. So h be the height of the cone. So we have v be the volume of the cone. Now from the center of the sphere to the side of its cone, let it be r, the radius, and the distance from the cone, the remaining distance, that is h minus r. So we will be marking a triangle here, that is triangle AOB. It is a right angled triangle with an angle 90 degree in among one of the angle, applying the Pythagoras theorem in that triangle as I have shown. So that is AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. So what is AB? That is bigger r, AO square, that is smaller r, and OB is equal to h minus r. So we have r square is equal to smaller r square plus h minus bigger r whole square. So we have capital letter R square is equal to small letter r square plus h square minus 2hr plus capital letter r square. Capital letter r square is cancelled. So we have the remaining, that is smaller r square minus r square is equal to the remaining, that is h square minus 2h capital letter r, or we can write smaller r square is equal to 2h capital letter r minus h square. So we have the volume of the cone, that is 1/3 pi r square h, or 1/3 pi into what is r square, that is 2hr minus h square into h, taking h into the bracket. So we have 1/3 pi into 2h square r minus h cube. Or now differentiating v with respect to h, we have dv by dh, that is d by dh of 1/3 pi to h square r minus h cube. 1/3 pi is constant, so d by dh of 2h square r, that is 2r into h square, that is 2h minus h cube, that is d by dh, that is 3h square, or dv by dh is equal to 1/3 pi 2 into 2 4 rh minus 3h square. Now we will be finding what is d square v by dh square, that is d by dh of 1/3 pi 4rh minus 3h square. So here also 1/3 pi is constant. So taking that outside, so 1/3 pi into d by dh of 4rh, that is 4r is constant, 4r minus 3h square, that is 3 into d by dh of 2h square, that is 2h. So we can write d square v by dh square is equal to pi by 3 into 4r minus 6h. When dv by dh is equal to 0, we can write 1/3 pi into 4rh minus 3h square is equal to 0, or 4rh minus 3h square is equal to 0, or h is taken outside, so h into 4r minus 3h is equal to 0. So h is equal to 0, or 4r minus 3h is equal to 0. So from this h is equal to 4r by 3. So we have got two values for h, that is 0 and 4r by 3. Now h is equal to 0 is not taken because it's not possible value here. So we will be taking, we need a value for h, right? So we will be having h is equal to 4r by 3. So what is d square v by dh square, that is 1/3 pi into 4r minus 6h. So instead of h, we are applying the value 4r by 3, that is 1/3 pi into 4r minus 6 into 4r by 3, cancelling 6 and 3. We have 1/3 pi 4r minus 2 into 4, that is 8r. So when we solve the above problem, we will be having a negative quantity which is less than 0. So we can write we have maximum at h is equal to 4r by 3. Now we are going back to the volume, that is 1/3 pi into 2h square r minus h cube. That is the volume of the cone inscribed in the sphere. So instead of h, we are applying 4r by 3. So we have 1/3 pi into 2 into r into 4r by 3 whole square minus h cube, that is 4r by 3 whole cube. Or we can write v is equal to 1/3 pi into 2r into 4r by 3 whole square, that is 16r square by 9 minus 4r by 3 whole cube, that is 64r cube by 27, or we can write 1 by 3 pi into 16 into 2, that is 32r cube by 9 minus 64r cube by 27. Now making common denominator 27, we have multiplying 3 with the 32r cube by 9, we have 1 by 3 pi into 96r cube minus 64r cube by 27, or 1 by 3 pi into 96 minus 64, that is 32r cube by 27. Now taking 1 by 3 pi into the bracket, so we have 32 pi r cube divided by 3 into 27. 32 can be written as 4 into 8. So 4 into 8 pi r cube divided by 3 into 27. 8 and 27 is taken outside, so the 8 by 27 into the remaining, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So what is 4 by 3 pi r is the capital letter r, so 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is the volume of the sphere. So we can write volume of the cone, V is equal to 8 by 27 into volume of the sphere, or volume of the largest cone is equal to 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere.